My grandmother, she's always on the move. She used to take me on holidays across the continent. The glove compartment of her car was always crammed with road maps. Now, years later, she loves to take me on long walks. She brings detailed hiking maps that show every tiny path. She passed her love of exploring new trails to me, but I also love exploring new technologies. Take GPS. When I go off the beaten path, I bring a handheld satellite communicator. Once in a generation, a technology comes along that changes the way you think, the way you work, and the way you walk. My grandmother is taking to this new technology as well, but it hasn't changed her spirit. She still likes to lead the way.